Hello sir, good day. So this is our final activity for this final sir about exploring the Ubuntu and creating directory. So question number 1, create a directory name PT101 instead of videos, folder and create a file name PT101. So dito sir, ang una naming command na nilagay which is yung CD, stand for change directory. So and pangalawa po dito sir yung mkdir, which is yun po yung parang mag-create ng directory. So nilagay po namin ng mkdir ito PT101. Yun po yung pinangalan namin. As you can see, pag pinindot yung videos, pag inopen and nag-new tab, is nandito na yung nandito na yung in-input nating PT101. So, pagtapos nyan, is magkukuman ulit tayo ng echo for platform technology. Yung echo stand for parang yung ginagamit yun to display the text or print. So ang nilagay natin dun, platform technology. So dito pag inopen natin and ayun, makikita na natin dito yung PT101, nagiging files na siya. Okay, so yun. And dito is magkakuman tayo ng ls. And implement natin yung videos. And pag in-enter natin, you can see sir, lalabas yung PT101 dito sa baba ng Yan, so okay, yun na. So question number 2 naman, yung copy the PT101. So dito, nag-command kami dito ng cd, yung cut to display file content.
Damo na batid tayo. Marami tayo standby. Marami pa tayo.
And so pag in-enter natin yung lalabas yung platform technologies na in-implement natin kanina. So dito, yan. Kasi nandun na yung folder. And dito, magko-command ulit tayo ng cp. Yung cp naman is stand for copy file.
Hindi ako sakay kahit mag-ayos ng kato. S-boy. S-boy na. S-this na lang.
So yun sir, so ayan, as you can see, lumabas na yung PT101 dito sa desktop nya. dito sir, as you can see, magko-command kami dito ng RM. And tapos yung nilagay namin dito yung videos in PT101 yung file na yun. So pag ayan, yung video, hindi yung PT 101 na folder. So as you can see, nung in-enter namin, it's nawala na, naging folder is empty na. So yun, na-remove na yung folder natin. So ngayon, ang re-remove naman natin dito, which is yung PT101 dito sa desktop. So ganun ulit, command ulit natin. And check natin ulit. Okay, wala. Folder empty na.
Yung upload ko lang.
Ayan. So, sunod nating i-remove dito, it is yung nasa desktop na. Yung PT101 dito sa gilid. Galing editor yun ah.
Demel.
Sulit. Huwag kang maingay pare.
Always na pre, always na. Marami din siya, di ko tayo kaya.
So, ayan. As you can see, nawala na po yung yung PT101. Yun lang po. Thank you.